It's cold and flu season. Let me show you how to make this super syrup. You need some fresh lemon, turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, and cardamom pods. Mix it with water and simmer it for about 20 minutes. Let it cool off, strain it, add your fresh lemon and orange juice, honey, and black pepper. Fill it into bottles and keep it in the fridge. Take every morning a tablespoon to boost your immune, or drink it as a tea, not warmer than 60 Celsius. Follow for more.